5 natural ways to relieve pain during urination. Burning or pain during urination is an uncomfortable symptom that typically occurs due to inflammation or an infection of your urethra or bladder. It's a very common problem for women, although it can also affect men, and it typically indicates that there is excessive growth of bacteria somewhere in your urinary tract. The symptoms may be mild or sporadic, disappearing when you treat the infection. Sometimes, however, they may become chronic and indicate a larger problem. Fortunately, this condition can be treated naturally thanks to the germ-fighting, anti-inflammatory properties of certain ingredients. Today we want to share 5 effective options with you, so you'll be sure to try them at the first sign of discomfort. Parsley tea. Parsley tea is a natural tonic with anti-inflammatory properties that help control cystitis and pain during urination once they're absorbed by your body. The diuretic compounds improve your production of urine by the kidneys, which helps cleanse your system of any bacterial infections. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 10 grams. Preparation: bring the cup of water to boil and add the tablespoon of dried parsley. Cover and let this beverage steep for 10 minutes. Mode of consumption: drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day, until the burning sensation is gone. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid that helps regulate your body's pH, facilitating the control of infections. Its absorption alters the environment that bacteria need to proliferate, and it also reduces inflammation. Apple cider vinegar is a great option for relieving the burning associated with cystitis or vaginal infections. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar, 10 milliliters, 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Preparation: dilute the apple cider vinegar with 1/2 cup of warm water and sweeten it with honey. Mode of consumption: drink this twice a day, preferably after a meal. Baking soda. The slightly alkaline effect of baking soda can serve as a supplement to stimulate the elimination of bacteria and yeast that build up in the urinary tract and bladder. Its consumption, in moderate amounts, relieves irritation of the urethra and calms burning during urination. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 2 grams 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters. Preparation. Dilute the baking soda in 1/2 cup of warm water. Mode of consumption. Drink this as soon as you feel discomfort when urinating. Take it twice a day to speed up relief. Flaxseed water. The omega-3 fatty acids contained in flaxseed help control inflammation and reduce the symptoms of urinary tract infections. These substances, together with antioxidants, soothe the bladder and reduce discomfort when urinating. Ingredients. One tablespoon of flaxseed, 10 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation. Pour the flaxseed into a cup of hot water and let it sit for 5 to 8 hours. After this time, strain and preserve the thick liquid. Mode of consumption. Consume this beverage on an empty stomach, 2 to 3 days in a row. Garlic tea. Garlic is a potent natural antibiotic whose sulfurous compounds help fight and eliminate bacteria that affect your urinary health. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce irritation of the bladder, decreasing the constant need to urinate and the pain associated with it. Ingredients. One cup of water, 250 milliliters, 2 cloves of raw garlic. Preparation. Boil the cup of water and, while it is hot, crush the garlic cloves. When the water reaches the boiling point, remove from heat and add the garlic. Let this sit for 10 minutes and strain the liquid. Mode of consumption. Drink garlic tea when you feel burning when urinating or any other symptom of infection. Repeat this twice a day. As you can see, there are several antibacterial and anti-inflammatory remedies that help reduce these symptoms naturally and safely. Choose the one you like the most and try it, following our recommendations to obtain the best results.